Hey clean freaks, my name is Shushana and welcome to my channel, The Clean and Queen. Listen, I am so happy that you are here, and if you are coming over from my original channel, Regal Designs by Shushana, thank you so much for your continual support, all your love, and all your encouragements. Y'all know how I feel about you guys. I absolutely love you guys. So here on my new channel, you'll be getting a lot of cleaning motivations, some organizational tips and tricks, and of course, we're going to be decluttering. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below because y'all know I love talking with you guys. And make sure you double tap that bell so you will receive all new inspirations from every upload that I do. I do upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 6 a.m. And I would love for you to also visit my other channel, Regal Designs by Shushana. If you have not yet done so, or if you didn't know, I do have a home decor channel. And I do a lot of DIYs, home decor, seasonal decor, and thrifting content on that channel. So please subscribe to that channel as well if you like what you see there. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Can y'all tell how excited I am? Okay, clean freaks, thanks so much for joining me here today on my new channel. I am so excited and so grateful for you all that you even take the time out of your busy day to come and check me out. We are going to clean, we are going to motivate, and y'all, we're going to change the entire trajectory of our household. All right, we're going to make sure that it's clean and it's decluttered and it's stress-free. So I love you guys to life. Be inspired, go inspire, and be unique. All right, guys, I'm out. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.
That I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you what to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can't take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you Sing out your frustration. Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.